Hello everyone, this is my new Goodman natural gas and electric packaged unit. We had to replace, we had a 20-year-old train unit that went out on us. Our regular heating and air guy that we use quoted me $4,800 plus tax. So before we decided to do anything, we did an internet search and found Ingram's water and air equipment, and we were able to find this unit at a much lower cost. Paid for it, got it shipped to us. My husband was able to remove that other train unit down there, and he did some modification work to the ductwork a little bit, but Ingram's sent us what we needed to transition our ductwork to the new unit. We told them what we had. They knew exactly what we needed. They sent it along with it. He was able to remove and replace this within one working day. It works exceptionally well, and thanks to Ingram's water and air equipment, we saved about half the price. So thank you very much.